Okay, good morning students. I hope everybody is fine at home and healthy, obeying your parents and doing your studies at the right time. Okay, students, today we will be starting with a new topic, that is possessive nouns. Okay, what is possessive nouns? Let us try to understand what is possessive nouns. Possessive nouns is showing ownership, that something belongs to somebody. Okay, something belongs to somebody, this we have to show. So this we will show by using possessive nouns. For example, this is a calculator. Okay, this is a calculator. Suppose this calculator belongs to Dheeraj. Okay, तो ये धीरज का कैलकुलेटर है, तो we have to show it, that is this calculator belongs to धीरज. So हम उसको कैसे बोलेंगे? धीरज apostrophe s, Dheeraj's calculator, isn't it? So that Dheeraj apostrophe s, Dheeraj becomes a possessive noun. Understand students? So this is what we are going to study. Matlab today in this topic we will be discussing how to use noun or how to use possessive noun, how to make possessive noun. Okay, there are some small rules, very simple, very easy rules, and we will be able to understand how to make possessive nouns. पॉजेसिव नाउन का मेन मोटिव ये है कि कोई भी एक चीज किसी को बिलोंग करता है, किसी नाउन को बिलोंग करता है, वो बताना है, तो वी यूज पॉजेसिव नाउन्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज, if we want to show possessive nouns or if we want to show possession or if we want to show ownership, so we have to use apostrophe s. We have to use apostrophe s, noun, उसके बाद apostrophe and then s. Okay, this is how we can change noun into possessive noun. Okay, when we use apostrophe s, the noun becomes possessive noun. Okay, apostrophe s ये दिखाता है कि कोई भी चीज वो noun को belong करता है करके. Okay, now next part we need to understand is, कोई भी noun, even if it is singular or even if it is plural. Imagine that if the noun is singular or if the noun is plural, noun singular भी हो या plural भी हो, if the last letter ends with s, if the word ends with s, वो word का, वो noun का last letter अगर s है, so to make it possessive, वो उस s के बाद हमको एक apostrophe डालना है. ठीक है, after that s we have to put a apostrophe. Okay, I repeat, if the noun singular or plural, if it has a s at the end, if the last letter is s, so to make it possessive noun, after that s हमको सिर्फ एक apostrophe डालना है. We have to put a apostrophe, and after that apostrophe no s, क्योंकि already there is a s at the end of the word. Okay, this is how we can make the noun a possessive noun. Okay students, now next part, if the noun is singular or plural, imagine वो singular हो या plural हो noun, and if there is no s, अगर word के end में there is no s, okay, then to make it possessive we have to use apostrophe and after that s. okay, अभी singular हो या plural हो, अगर last में s है तो हमको सिर्फ s के बाद apostrophe डालना है, and singular हो या plural हो, अगर लास्ट में s नहीं है तो हमको apostrophe डालना है और उसके बाद एक s डालना है. Understood students? This is how we can change a noun to possessive noun. Okay, now let us go through some examples. The first example, if you see on the screen, is house of Mr. James. Mr. James का घर है ना, तो हमको ownership दिखाना है, Mr. James का घर है, so we have to use apostrophe s. अब लास्ट लेटर ऑफ मिस्टर जेम्स का लास्ट लेटर क्या है? एस. तो हमको इसमें एपोस्ट्रोफी एस डालने का जरूरत नहीं है, वो जेम्स में जो एस है, आफ्टर दैट वी ओनली हैव टू पुट अ एपोस्ट्रोफी. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? सो हाउ विल इट बिकम मिस्टर जेम्स हाउस? Understand students? So that is, if the last letter is s, we don't have to put apostrophe and s. If the last letter is s, we only have to put a apostrophe. Okay, now look at the next example. Bags of boys. Bags of boys. Boys का bags. अब हमको इसको possessive में दिखाना है. We have to show it in possessive. How are we going to show it? Boys. If you go to see boys, last में s है ना, there is a s. So to make it possessive, we only have to put a apostrophe after the s. वो लास्ट में जो s है उसके बाद हमें जस्ट एक apostrophe डालना है. So boys bags. Okay students, then look at the third example. School of my sister. ठीक है, स्कूल ऑफ माई सिस्टर मतलब मेरी बहन का स्कूल. ओके, तो स्कूल ऑफ माई सिस्टर, किसका स्कूल? मेरी बहन का. माई स्कूल, माई सिस्टर का स्कूल. नाउ माई सिस्टर, लास्ट में देर इज नो एस, SISTER, there is no s. So how are we going to use the possessive noun? We have to put an apostrophe, and after the apostrophe we have to put a s. That is my sister apostrophe s, my sister's school. Understood students? Okay, my sister's school. Here यहाँ पे हमने apostrophe और बाद में s क्यों डाला? Because sister में noun में s last में नहीं है. There is no s at the end. That is why we put apostrophe and then s. लेकिन for example 1 और 2 में क्या था? At the end of the noun there is a s already. So we are putting only apostrophe. Understood students? Okay. Now let us go to the fourth example. Excuse me. Bottles of children. ठीक है, चिल्ड्रेन का बॉटल. चिल्ड्रेन इज प्लूरल, चाइल्ड इज सिंगुलर, एक बच्चा है तो चाइल्ड, एक से ज्यादा बच्चे हैं तो चिल्ड्रेन. तो चिल्ड्रेन इज प्लूरल बट एट द एंड देयर इज नो एस, है ना, एट द एंड वहां पे एस नहीं है. सो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू डू? चिल्ड्रेन एपोस्ट्रोफी एस. ओके, चिल्ड्रेन्स बॉटल्स. ओके, बच्चों का बॉटल. Are you clear with this students? So this is how we have to, or these are the things that we have to keep in mind while using apostrophe s, that is possessive nouns. Okay students, fine. Chalo, now thank you so much and take good care of yourself, and I will be also sending a video where I will be explaining you how to solve the exercise of this chapter. Fine. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.